I'm excited to tell you all about a study that I've been working on with this incredible group of scientists, all of whom are members of the Alzheimer's Disease Task Force within the American Congress of Rehabilitation Medicine. Before I introduce you to a few members of our team who will help explain the project, let me give you a high-level overview of what we're doing. A systematic review and meta-analysis is a special kind of study that looks at all of the other studies on one topic and uses those to create a more holistic picture of the evidence. So let's say that we gather all of the studies on exercise in individuals with Alzheimer's disease. We're going to see a lot of variation, or a lot of different pieces of the puzzle, if you will. So one study might look at a walking program and the effects that that has on sleep in people with Alzheimer's disease, while another study might look at exercise through waltz dancing and the effect that that has on behaviors in individuals with Alzheimer's disease. Both are related, but each showing a different piece of the puzzle. So we take all of the studies that we can find, we organize them, and then we collate the data, putting it together to analyze it and then figure out the overall effect of exercise in those with Alzheimer's disease. Our specific outcome of interest is cognition, or thinking and brain function, in those with Alzheimer's disease.
This may sound like a great deal of work, and it really is, but it's worth it. It's worth it because a systematic review and meta-analysis is often considered the highest form of evidence. In other words, we can be confident in the findings of a systematic review and meta-analysis because it considers, evaluates, weighs out, and analyzes all other applicable research. The first step in a review like this is putting together a formal plan. In clinical research, we call this a protocol. Well, we can check that box. In fact, we published our protocol in a journal called BMC Systematic Review. Publishing our protocol was an important step because this meant that the protocol had gone through a formal peer review process in which other scientists could check through and critique our plan, and also because this keeps our work really transparent every step of the way. This protocol is free to access, so if you're interested in learning more, please use the link in the comments section of this video to access our paper.
So now that we've told you what we're doing, let us tell you about our team. There are 16 of us working on this project, and each team member provides an important set of skills or expertise. So our team is divided into working groups so that we can each tackle each step in this project. So we have a professional librarian who helped us create a thorough search, the statistics team who helped us plan how the data will be analyzed, and the statistics team will also be carrying out these analyses. We have content experts in psychology and exercise science, and a huge group of reviewers who will be reading through the studies we find and pulling out the important information that we will be analyzing.
Now that our plan is published, we are moving forward with our review. We have organized what we call a data extraction form that is used to pull out all of the important information from the studies we found. We are actually testing out the form now so that we can be sure that it is fine-tuned to get all of the information that we need to determine what the influence of exercise is on the brain function of those with Alzheimer's disease.
Once completed, we'll update you again. In the meantime, please feel free to reach out with questions or thoughts through the comments below this video. Thanks for watching.